Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Twilio Verify for SMS and phone authentication step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Twilio account set up. Log in to your Twilio console. Navigate to the Verify section in the dashboard. Click on the Get Started button to initialize the service. Create a new Verify service by clicking the Create Service button. Give your service a name that reflects its purpose. After creating the service, note down the service SID provided by Twilio. In your development environment, install the Twilio SDK for your preferred programming language. For Node.js, use the command npm install Twilio. Prepare to send a verification request. Use the Message API to send an SMS code to the user's phone number. Format the request to include the service SID and the phone number. Send the request and wait for a successful response. Now, prompt the user to enter the verification code they received via SMS. Retrieve the entered verification code from the user. Make a verification call using the Twilio API, including the service SID, phone number, and the entered code. Check the verification status in the response. If the status is approved, the user is authenticated. If the status is denied, prompt the user to try again or resend the code. Implement error handling to manage failed verification attempts. Consider adding a timeout or limit on the number of retry attempts. Once authenticated, allow the user access to the secured features of your application. Remember to continuously monitor user feedback for further improvements. Test the entire flow thoroughly to ensure a seamless user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.